Yo, what it do? What it do? What it do? Hey, Rex J in the mother effing building. We about to start this off with a Bible verse, like usual. This is again Road to $1 Million, episode 15. So, let me get one. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, y'all. Gotta pull up the verse. Romans 14:19. Let us therefore follow after the things which make for peace, and things wherewith one make edify another. So please follow Jesus Christ. Please follow Jesus Christ. Now, I am starting pretty early. I might pause it. I might pause this video. I just want to explain to you guys how I was fucking right. Like, bro, I was right. Like, everything I said, it did it. Like, okay, let me go to the 15. This is a lesson too. You can be right and still lose. You can really be right and still fucking lose. But I want to show y'all guys what had happened here and what I told y'all last video that was going to happen. Boom. We got the inverse fair value gap. We inverse this like I expected. We did get the sweep and everything, right? So let's go. And I also marked that up on my last video too. We got the sweep here. And then we got the fair value gap here. And it was also one right here, which I took, which I shouldn't have taken. But we also had the fair value gap here. And then we had to break a structure. So everything literally it lined up right. But like I said, my entry was bad. My entry was bad. And look, I got in here. And my stop was under this candle here because I didn't want a huge stop all the way down here, which would have been a 52-point stop. Actually, it would have had to been down here, which would have been a 66-point stop. So literally everything lined up. It's just the execution was bad. That's the only thing. The execution was bad. But like I said, everything literally lined up. Like everything lined up. The execution was bad, and I was still right. And then we never went under this area here. As you can see, this area here, we never went under. It's still like the whole trade was still intact. But since my stop was so close, and since I didn't wait till we went into this fair value gap, I chose this fair value gap right here, so I didn't miss the trade, which I shouldn't have did. I end up getting stopped out, but still being right about everything I was talking about. And look, we had went into that 15-minute fair value gap. Now what I'm expecting here, I'm expecting to push down. I gotta wait until the market open. Like I said, this is an early video. I usually don't start at 7:48, but I had to spark up because I was literally right. Like I was like, wow. As soon as I woke up this morning, I'm like, wow, it really went into this fair value gap, and I really lost that trade when it could have been a winning trade, bro. And right now, I am looking for sales. Like soon as market open around 8:30, I'm most definitely looking for sales. I'm looking for the sweep, and then I'm looking to see if I can get in to go lower and possibly. To be honest, I'm gonna delete this really quick. And to be honest, possibly sweep. This will be a good sweep here. And also, this will be final TP here if I decide to get there. But yes, I am looking for sales. notice how we had wicked off of this bearish fair value gap, this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Yeah, I'm most definitely looking for sales, and I believe we can do it. So let's see how this all plays out. Like I said, I will be pausing the video, so the video won't be too long, and I won't have to do all that cutting. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, literally, like, everything I said came to fruition. Like, I really do this shit. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'll be happy with myself because I really progressed as a trader. And I literally called this out like so perfect. It just like my executions, I still have to work on that. Like, I'm a 97% good trader because I still have to work on my executions. I still have to work on that. My exits, not so much. I'm pretty good with my exits too, but my executions, that is crucial when it comes to trading, and that's the thing that I really have to work on, because like I said, you can be missing great trades. You can really be missing great trades. Um, exactly like this one. Like, I'm so stuck on that because I really called that out, and it really came like I did on Monday too. I told y'all what point we was gonna reverse once we had took that sell, this sell here, and I told you that we was most likely going target here on Monday. We did that. All we did was go a little bit lower, and then we pushed up into this fair value gap, inverse this bearish fair value gap here, and then we pushed up into this fair value gap, and now I am potentially looking for sales, depending on how the market open, but most likely I am looking for sales, and I will be taking a sale on US 30 if I get the opportunity to. So I'm about to stop the video here. Well, I'm about to pause the video, and I'll see you guys in about 30 minutes or so. All right, I'm back. So we did still on US 30, and it looked like we pushing down, but we did sweep here. I just want to see if we can do one more sweep, and that's the only way I will be getting into this market. It might just go down though. I wouldn't be surprised if we just go down market open, but I do want to see one more sweep, because that's the only way I'm getting into trade is if I see a sweep of liquidity. Even though we did sweep, like I said, pre-market, but I want to sweep during market session, during New York session. So let's just see if we can do that. I told y'all guys what I want to see a little bit earlier. Yeah, let's just see if we can sweep. We probably just can continue down though. I got a strong feeling we probably just gonna continue down. I hate when moves be happening right before the market, cause if this was like 8:35, I would have just gotten to this trade right here and then proceed to chase these lows down here. But yeah, I think we just probably just gonna go down as soon as market open. Hopefully we can get a trade today. I'm trying to make up for that loss we had yesterday. And I'm down on the Top Step X funded account. So see if we could possibly get that back. And I don't know. I don't think that we gonna go back up there, but let's just see. We probably can. This is a huge wick. I don't think we. I don't know. Let's just see. Because New York Open, we probably could just sweep up here real quick and then just go down. Come on, let's see if we can do it. Then I'll look for that gap. But it looked like, I don't know. Look like we might not even go up there. Oh. See if we just go deeper into this gap. I'm not going to jump the gun on this. I'm looking at this gap right here. We went a little bit deeper into it. Okay. That's what I was looking for. Okay, we got that sweep. Might get let me see something real quick. That'd be wild if we actually go up here. Because I ain't gonna lie, I was not expecting to go up at all. Like I said, I wanted to go into this fair value gap here and then push down and possibly get some sweeps down here. Whoa. It's a huge fucking candle, man. Or we might just get the sweep. Just the hour. Let's just see if we sweep up here. Let's just see if we go deeper into this fair value gap. If I decided this would be too much of a big of a stop, so I wouldn't even get into this trade at all. But like I said, I'm still looking for sales. Still looking for sales. I think we getting that sweep. We're getting a sweep, most likely here. Okay, let me put this up here. All I need is a fair value gap. Alright, went into this fair value gap, but I do think we possibly gonna inverse it. If we don't, I just won't trade today because I'm really looking to go bearish. I'm not even lying to you guys. I'm really willing to go bearish. We got a gap on the hour that's not highlighted. So like I said, I really don't count those gaps. Even though it is a gap here that's not highlighted, I just don't count those gaps. I could see if it's a gap on any other time frame. Oh, on an hour here, it is a gap. It is highlighted. So that's actually interesting. On Black Bull, it's highlighted. Let's go to another chart. It is highlighted. So that's the only one that's not highlighted. So wait, we might be just pushing up. We might be pushing up actually. It's just on here is not highlighted. 2 hour. Yeah, but I wouldn't even take this fair value gap anyway. Like it's just it'll be too big of a stop for me. So, cause if I would have took this, my stop would have been all the way down here, and we not doing that. Let me go to Nas. See what Nas doing really quick. Hmm. Notice we still didn't sweep here. I think we could potentially sweep here though. Yeah, it's crazy. It's not highlighted here, but it's highlighted on every other. Look, see how this yellow candle is popping up? That's why I be looking for my yellow candles, and it's popping up on other charts. Let me see on Black Bull. I mean, Forecon. It's not popping up here either though. Go to let's see, not on here. So that's pretty weird. But notice this gap, this yellow candle's always popping up. So like I said, I'm still bearish, bro. I'm still bearish. I just gotta wait for the gap. We just swept here, and this is relatively equal. But if we don't get a trade, we just don't get a trade, cause where the oh wait that was oh wait my bad. 05. Let's see if we push down. See if we push down here. Yeah, we probably getting stopped out. Let's see. I got stopped out on my other account. I might retake it. Not even gonna lie. I'm gonna retake it. Well, let me see. Hopefully, we don't continue to push up. I'm gonna take one more because it stopped me out too early. I ain't try to get stopped out. So on my other one, I did lose $100 on that one, but it stopped me out way too early. Let's just see if we can get it though. Okay, I'm liking this though. Only thing to worry about is that gap. That gap on the 15 minute. That's probably the only thing I gotta worry about right now. Come on, let's push down from here, man. Cause we didn't go into that 15 minute gap yet. Oh shit. Yeah, we didn't go into that 15 minute gap yet. But hopefully we don't get stopped out before then. Damn, I hope it will continue going up. Oh shit. Come on. Mm. Man, I hope we could just drop. I hope we could just drop from here. I don't want to pass this area here. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. I don't want to pass this area. Let me widen up the screen real quick. This is not a bad TP. Because it is a gap right there. I'm not gonna go break Eve yet. I could possibly go break Eve on my other account. Yeah, you know what? I am. I'm gonna go break Eve on my. Wait. See, this where I get the plan and shit. It been doing this for like literally a couple days, bro. We just get the plan and shit. So that's, I don't know. I might not even put it at break Eve on my other account, cause we did this 2 days in a row. Y'all seen how long I was in that trade? I was in that trade yesterday for like 22. No, the day before yesterday, like 22 minutes. And then yesterday, I would have been in that trade for a long time if I didn't get stopped out. Like yesterday, I would have been in that trade for like an hour or something or so. Hopefully, it don't be that long here. I just we just can hit TP, bro. I am not trying to sit through all this. I ain't gonna lie to you. And to be honest, I do. I think we possibly can go lower than that, than where I got my stop at. We just gotta now. We gotta get past this area here. We gotta get past here. I'm gonna turn this red because I don't want to go above here. Damn. Hey, we might just push up, bro. This shit look bad, bro. Yeah, this don't even look good no more. Yep. Yeah, it's over with, bro. Yeah, that's it for that. I'm still in on my other account, but I might just get out. I swear if this motherfucker go down here. Yeah, I'm still in on this account. I might just get out though. Yeah, I might just get out. I'm out. So fucking unfortunate, bro. That was 215 for the day for L, and then we lost 130, 137. Oh man, the fuck. That shit is ass, bro. That shit is ass. And the crazy thing is, we never went into that 15-minute gap, bro. I wanted to at least go into there and see how it was gonna react, and then I was gonna possibly close. Um, this is what I was talking about. And going to this 15-minute gap here. We never went to this gap yet, so I didn't think it was gonna stop me out before. I thought we was just probably possibly gonna go into the gap, and then I could see how it react. Then I was gonna based off that if I was gonna close it or not. But yeah, that's a fucking ill, bro. I'm mad, bro. And another thing, y'all, it's okay to be mad about a loss. It is okay to be mad about a loss, but don't take your anger out on the charts. Please don't take your anger out on the charts. Like, I'm pissed right now. I ain't gonna lie, I'm mad as a bitch that I lost. But I'm not about to take another trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to take another trade. And the reason why I took this trade, because this has stopped me out way too early. The fuck? This has stopped me out way too early. So that's why I took another trade. And let me see if we reverse, bro. All right, now I'm about to get pissed. I'm really about to get pissed off now. Because I swear, when I lose, I just want to lose. I don't want to get stopped out and then it end up becoming a winner, bro. I could have had my stop a little higher, but no, I think I don't know, bro. I don't know. on the hour, it do still look like it want to continue up based on the hour time frame. But damn, is it possible I don't know, we probably just went deeper into this gap. I was thinking that too, like, bro, that'd be crazy if we go down right now, bro. But what, that's 137 and then 215 for the week. I'm down $25 for the week. That's fucking weak though, bro. I bet you we gonna end up going to them areas too. If we don't pass this, then we most definitely going to them areas. What the hell? If we don't pass this, we most definitely going to them areas. But I don't know. I think I was just wrong for today. But like I said, I at least wanted it to go into that gap, like into this gap. It never went into it. Like I said, I was gonna close based off of what happened inside this gap. Like based off the reaction inside this gap, I was gonna either close it or continue to hold it. But let's just see. I think I was just completely wrong on this one. 5 minute. Yeah, I think we're just gonna continue to push up. Yeah, if I'm wrong, I just want to be wrong though. But damn, that's crazy. Ugh. If we push above here, then we most definitely going up. And I think that's what we about to do. I think we about to sweep that hour buy side liquidity since we passed this fair value gap here. I'm just shocked it didn't go into that gap though. Like, okay, thank you again for watching this video, and please follow Jesus Christ. Please follow Jesus Christ. This is episode 15. I believe this episode 15. And like, comment, subscribe. Man, just give me some thoughts on this trade, bro. With the execution and shit, I believe it wasn't a bad execution. Me personally, I think it wasn't a bad execution, but I could have probably sat this one out. It wasn't bad. Yesterday, like, I could have executed better, but I think this execution wasn't too bad, bro. The stop was, I say the stop was kind of tight. But yeah, I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off. It's cool to be pissed off about a trade, but do not take it out on the charts. That will end horribly. Like, just say if I would have got mad and then kept trading, I probably would have blew my goddamn account just because we was going zigzag. And I'm glad I'm not using full risk too. I wasn't gonna use full risk anyway, but I'm glad I didn't use full risk. So it's like, and then like, yeah, all my L's been pretty small for this week. Like today was what, 215 for the day, I believe. 215. Yesterday was 250. That's around the amount I want to lose. And then like 396, that was crazy. I shouldn't have lost this much. 396 was actually fucking crazy. I shouldn't have lost that much on this particular account. I didn't I didn't mean to put 10. I meant to put 8, and that motherfucker just stopped me out very, very quick too. But again, yeah, thank you for watching this video. And I think we about to break to the upside, so I just was wrong. So again, thank you for watching this video. And please follow Jesus Christ. That is your Lord and Savior. He will save you. And again, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.